अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब? क्या आपने कभी अपनी बचपन की कोई पिक्चर्स देखी हैं? कैसे लगते थे आप? आपके हाथ, आपका फेस ऐसा ही है जैसे कि पहले होता था? नहीं ना। Your features cannot be exactly the same as they were in your childhood. Do you know how a newborn baby looks like? You must have a baby in your house, or maybe in your sister's or brother's house. Look at this baby. This is how a newborn baby looks like. Now look at this one. He is such a cute little baby. He's probably 6 months old. Now this baby looks like he is 1 year old. Look, he's sitting up and playing on his own. Can you guess how old is this baby? The baby you just saw is 5 years old. Now look at this kid. He is not a little kid. Can you guess the age of this one? Yes, you are right. He is 10 years old. This boy may look like this when he will be 25 years old. He would probably be a 35-year-old man in this picture. And in this picture, a 50-year-old man looks like him. Notice how some things are changing as the age is increasing? Keep observing. I shall ask about this later on. This old man is 75 years old. इनके फेस पर कितनी लाइंस आ रही हैं, है ना? These lines are called wrinkles. And this old man can be 100 years old. मतलब ये 100 साल के हैं. वाओ! चलें प्यारे बच्चों, अब बताएं आपने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया? आपको इन सब पिक्चर्स में क्या डिफरेंस लगा? Yes, exactly. You have observed that as the man becomes old from young, he loses his energy, activeness, and enthusiasm. Probably the most obvious thing is that हमारे बॉडी में फिजिकल चेंजेस आती हैं जो कि नज़र आती हैं, जैसे कि दांतों का टूट जाना, जॉइंट्स का हिल जाना, वीकनेस और बहुत कुछ. Are there any other signs of aging जो आप हमसे शेयर करना चाहें? बिल्कुल. Basically, you have just observed the different stages of human life. हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि जो ह्यूमन बॉडी होती है वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ऑर्डर से डिसऑर्डर की तरफ जाती है, राइट? हमने ये भी नोटिस किया है कि जो बुढ़े लोग होते हैं उनकी बॉडी में ज़्यादा डिसऑर्डर्स होते हैं एज कम्पेयर टू यंग पीपल. सो वी मे से that any physical system goes from orderness to disorderness. And that is the topic of our discussion today. Entropy. Entropy is simply the disorderness in any system. Even classrooms are full of entropy. जी हाँ, आपने बिल्कुल सही सुना. Entropy हमारी क्लासरूम्स में भी हो सकती हैं. आप कंफ्यूज हो गए हैं. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. नाउ वी नो दैट द अमाउंट ऑफ एंट्रोपी इज ऑल्सो अ मेजर ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूलर डिसऑर्डर और रैंडमनेस ऑफ अ सिस्टम. इसको समझने के लिए हम मिलकर एक एक्टिविटी कैरी आउट करेंगे. आर यू रेडी? ओके. टेक अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर एंड सम आइस क्यूब्स. Now add these ice cubes in water. अब आप इसको आराम से टेबल पर रख दें. कुछ देर बाद आप नोटिस करेंगे कि आइस सारी मेल्ट हो चुकी होगी और पानी बन गई होगी. तो बच्चों, इससे आपने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया? We have observed that the ice has more ordered structure because it is an ice, because it is in a solid state. But now it has been converted into a liquid state. This means that the entropy of the system increases because it has gone from ordered arrangement to a disordered one. अब आप मुझे एक बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन का आंसर दीजिए. Which is more disordered? The glass of ice chips or the glass of water? जी हाँ, the molecules in the solid are in a much more restricted and a much more ordered state and they have low entropy. Solid state में कम entropy होती है. Students, entropy increases when melting and entropy decreases in freezing. हमने पहले यह डिस्कस किया था कि entropy is present in our physics classroom. But entropy is also present आपके अपने बेडरूम में. अब मुझे पता है कि आप हो जाएंगे कि how is this possible? But आप ये पिक्चर देखिए and I'm sure you will not be confused. Compare these two pictures. जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा ऑर्गेनाइज हुई हुई ये चीज़ें and it looks all clean and tidy, वहाँ low entropy है. Whereas on the right side, the whole room is a mess and disorderly हर चीज़ हुई हुई है. This means that this has high entropy. आप वो simple definition recall करें that energy is the ability to do work. So entropy is a measure of how much energy is not available to do work. ये तो हो गई simple definition. Although all forms of energy are interconvertible and all can be used to do work, it is not always possible to convert the entire available energy into work. थोड़ी बहुत रह जाती है. So, entropy is the measure of a system's thermal energy per unit temperature that is unavailable for doing useful work. The entropy of an isolated system, which means the system that cannot exchange either energy or matter outside the boundaries of the system, always increases. And there is always an increase in entropy for any isolated system. And the total entropy of an isolated system never decreases. इधर हमारे पास सिर्फ दो पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं. या तो एंट्रोपी कांस्टेंट रहती है इन रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस या इंक्रीज करती है irreversible process में. Meaning that the total entropy of a system either increases or remains constant in any process. It never decreases. मिसाल के तौर पे heat transfer cannot occur spontaneously from cold to hot because entropy would decrease. कभी आपने सोचा है कि एक आइस क्यूब से हीट ट्रांसफर होके हॉट बॉइलिंग वाटर में कैसे जाती है? नहीं जाती ना, because that is not possible. Entropy is very different from energy. Entropy is not conserved but increases in all real processes. अब सवाल ये पैदा होता है कि एंट्रोपी में चेंज कैसे आता है और हमें इस चीज़ को स्टडी करना क्यों ज़रूरी है? One reason is that entropy is directly related to the fact that not all heat transfer can be converted into work. आपके सामने एक इक्वेशन है which shows the change in entropy S when an amount of heat Q is added, where Q is the heat transfer, which is positive for heat transfer into and negative for heat transfer out of, and T is the absolute temperature at which the reversible process takes place. Entropy is a measure of the disorder of a system, which means that entropy is equal to a measure of randomness or disorder. आप एपिसोड के शुरू पे गौर करें जहां हमने एजिंग की बात की थी. आपने नोटिस नहीं किया कि ऑल नेचुरल प्रोसेस टेंड टू मूव टूवर्ड्स अ स्टेट ऑफ ग्रेटर डिसऑर्डर. सिमिलरली जब आप कॉफ़ी के अंदर चीनी और दूध डालते हैं और उसको स्टर करते हैं तो आपको एक ऐसी कॉफ़ी मिलती है जो कि यूनिफॉर्मली मिल्की और स्वीट होती है. No amount of stirring will get the milk and sugar to come back out of the solution. ऐसा कोई प्रोसेस है ही नहीं कि आप मिल्क और शुगर को वापस पहली वाली फॉर्म में वापस निकाल सकें. एक और एग्जाम्पल आप ये सीखें कि when a tornado hits a building, there is a lot of damage. You never see a tornado approach a pile of rubble and leave a building behind when it passes. जब टोर्नेडो आएगी तो तब बिल्डिंग होगी और जब टोर्नेडो चली जाएगी तो there would be a pile of rubble. The opposite thing cannot happen. So we have just studied that in any natural process, some energy becomes unavailable to do useful work. If we look at the universe as a whole, it may seem inevitable that as more and more energy is converted to unavailable forms, the ability to do work anywhere will gradually vanish. This is called the heat death of the universe. In terms of energy, when a solid becomes a liquid, or when a liquid becomes a vapor, kinetic energy from the surroundings is changed to potential energy in the substance. This energy is released back to the surroundings when the surroundings become cooler than the substance boiling or melting temperature. Phase change energy increases the entropy of a substance or system because it is energy that must be spread out in the system from the surroundings so that the substance can exist as a liquid or vapor at a temperature above its melting or boiling point. Therefore, the entropy of a solid is less than the entropy of a liquid, which is much less than the entropy of a gas. क्योंकि solid में हमने बात की थी कि सबसे ज़्यादा orderly चीज़ें होती हैं, so that means entropy is less. चलें, अब हम इस एपिसोड के कुछ की पॉइंट्स पे गौर करते हैं. Number 1, entropy is the measure of the randomness or disorder of a system. Number 2, this ratio of Q over T is defined to be the change in entropy for a reversible process. Number 3 is the equation of entropy. Number 4, it is denoted by the letter S and has units of joules per Kelvin. Number 5, entropy can have a positive or negative value. Number 6, a block of ice will increase in entropy as it melts. Number 7, a thermodynamic property, that is the measure of a system's thermal energy per unit temperature, that is unavailable for doing useful work. Number 8, the entropy of a solid is less than the entropy of a liquid, which is much less than the entropy of a gas. This is shown as in the form of an equation right here. Number 9, entropy of an isolated system always increases. अब हम अपना टेस्ट लेंगे और देखेंगे कि हमने आज के एपिसोड से क्या सीखा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, what is the symbol for entropy? A H, B G, C S, D E. Number 2, which represents a decrease in entropy? A, sublimation of carbon dioxide. B, boiling water. C, condensation of steam on cold gas. D, NaCl dissolving in water. Number 3, which represents a minus S? Number A, ice melting. B, salt dissolving. C, water heating up. D, none of these. Number 4, which of the following scenarios describe a process with a negative entropy change? A, building a skyscraper. B, a clean room becomes cluttered. C, an igloo melting. D, osmosis. Even though osmosis is not related to physics, but I really do hope that you know your biology. Number 5, the entropy will usually increase when A, a molecule is broken into 2 or more smaller molecules. B, a reaction occurs that results in an increase in the number of moles of gas. C, a solid changes to a liquid. D, all of these. Question number 6. Systems in nature tend to undergo changes towards A. Lower energy and less disorder. B. Lower energy and more disorder. C. Higher energy and less disorder. D. Higher energy and more disorder. Students, अगली एपिसोड तक अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज.